The global keyword can be used to access global variables that are inside a function. In this example, we have two global variables, x and y. X with a value of 30 and y with a value of 20. Inside the function named test1, we've used the global keyword to access the values of variable x and y. To confirm that this worked, we've set variable y equal to the sum of x plus y. So we'll go ahead and execute this function by calling function test1, and also by outputting the new value of variable y, which we know should be 50, which is 30 plus 20. So we can see in our web browser that 50 is in fact outputted. So the global keyword has worked for its purpose. It's important to note that PHP stores all global variables in an array variable called globals. An array is a special variable that can store multiple values. We'll be exploring arrays later in this course. The array index holds the name of a variable. So we can rewrite our existing code as follows. So we can see that here we're referencing global variable y, which we're setting to the sum of global variable x plus global area y. And once again, the output should be the exact same, 50.